Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, August 12, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, August 12, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 12, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, August 12, 2026. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for August 12, 2026, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, August 12, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.